In this video, I'm going to show you what crypto is and how you can make money from it. Hey there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about crypto. A lot of people have been asking me what it is and how they can get involved. So in this video, I'm going to break it all down for you. Stay tuned. What is cryptocurrency and how does it work? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual asset designed to work as a medium of exchange that uses cryptography to secure its transactions, to control the creation of additional units, and to verify the transfer of assets. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized and often anonymous. They are based on blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger system that records all transactions in a transparent and secure manner. There are many different types of cryptocurrency, but Bitcoin is the most well-known and widely used. Other popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Cryptocurrencies can be bought and sold on exchanges, used to purchase goods and services, or held as an investment. 1. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a form of electronic cash. It is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called the blockchain. Bitcoin is unique in that there are a finite number of them, 21 million. Bitcoins are created as a reward for a process known as mining. They can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services. As of February 2015, over 100,000 merchants and vendors accepted Bitcoin as payment. Research produced by the University of Cambridge estimates that in 2017, there were 2.9 to 5.8 million unique users using a cryptocurrency wallet, most of them using Bitcoin. 2. Ethereum. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that runs smart contracts, applications that run exactly as programmed without any possibility of fraud or third-party interference. In the Ethereum protocol and blockchain, there is a price for each operation. The general idea is that in order for the network to remain healthy and secure, all participants must have a skin in the game, so to speak. Novice users are often intimidated by the price volatility of Ether and the intricacies of smart contract programming. Ethereum's inner workings can be quite complex, but at its core, Ethereum is a simple concept with enormous potential. By providing a platform for developers to create decentralized applications, Ethereum is laying the foundation for a more open, transparent, and fair internet. With Ethereum, we can imagine a world where all sorts of middlemen are rendered obsolete by decentralized applications running on the blockchain. For example, we could see a future where music streaming services are directly peer-to-peer, eliminating the need for centralized platforms like Spotify. Or we could see a future where voting is done through decentralized applications, making election tampering impossible. The possibilities are endless. Ethereum is still in its infancy, but it has already begun to revolutionize the way we think about the internet and our relationship to data. It's hard. 3. Litecoin. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2011 as a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain. Unlike Bitcoin, Litecoin has a faster block time and a larger number of coins that can be mined. Litecoin also uses a different hashing algorithm than Bitcoin, which makes it accessible to a wider range of miners. As a result, Litecoin is often seen as a more user-friendly alternative to Bitcoin. While Litecoin is not as widely accepted as Bitcoin, it is still used by many businesses and individuals around the world. In addition, Litecoin has a strong community of supporters and developers who are working to improve the currency. As the adoption of cryptocurrencies grows, Litecoin is likely to become more popular. 4. Ripple. Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that was created in 2011 as a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain. Unlike Bitcoin, Litecoin has a faster block time and a larger number of coins that can be mined. Litecoin also uses a different hashing algorithm than Bitcoin, which makes it accessible to a wider range of miners. As a result, Litecoin is often seen as a more user-friendly alternative to Bitcoin. While Litecoin is not as widely accepted as Bitcoin, it is still used by many businesses and individuals around the world. In addition, Litecoin has a strong community of supporters and developers who are working to improve the currency. As the adoption of cryptocurrencies grows, Litecoin is likely to become more popular. 5. Dash is a cryptocurrency that offers instant transactions, private transactions, and token fungibility. It was created in 2014 by Evan Duffield and can be mined using a proof-of-work algorithm. Dash is notable for its use of masternodes, which are servers that provide additional services such as instant send and private send. Masternodes are incentivized with rewards, and they require a minimum investment of 1,000 Dash. Dash has a total supply of 18 million coins, and its block time is 2.5 minutes. Dash is traded on many cryptocurrency exchanges and can be used to purchase goods and services online. Here are the 5 ways to make money from cryptocurrency. 1. Invest in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have been gaining popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They offer a unique investment opportunity that can be quite profitable. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual coins that use cryptography to secure their transactions. They are decentralized, which means they are not subject to government or financial institution interference. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Since then, many other cryptocurrencies have been created, such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. Cryptocurrencies are bought and sold on exchanges and can be used to purchase goods and services. However, they are volatile, so it is important to do your research before investing in them. If you're looking for a potentially profitable investment, cryptocurrencies may be worth considering. 2. Trade cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies are often traded on decentralized exchanges and can also be used to purchase goods and services. Some countries have banned or restricted the use of cryptocurrencies, but their popularity continues to grow. 3. Mine cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual tokens that use cryptography to secure their transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies are often created through mining, which is a process of verifying and adding transaction records to a blockchain, a digital ledger of all cryptocurrency transactions. Miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency for their work verifying and adding transaction records. Mining requires specialized computer hardware and consumes a lot of electricity. Because cryptocurrencies are decentralized, they are often used for illegal activities such as money laundering and drug trafficking. However, cryptocurrencies can also be used for legal purposes such as online shopping or peer-to-peer payments. 4. Use cryptocurrencies to pay for goods and services. Cryptocurrencies are a type of digital asset that uses cryptography to secure its transactions and to control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not subject to government or financial institution control. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009. Cryptocurrencies are often traded on decentralized exchanges and can also be used to purchase goods and services. Some businesses accept Bitcoin as payment, and there are even a few real estate transactions that have been conducted using cryptocurrency. While the use of cryptocurrency is still in its early stages, it has the potential to revolutionize how we conduct global commerce. 5. Lend out money invested in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have become a popular investment in recent years as their value has skyrocketed. However, many people are reluctant to invest in cryptocurrencies because they are volatile and can lose a lot of value quickly. One way to mitigate this risk is to lend out money invested in cryptocurrencies. There are several platforms that allow you to do this, and it can help you earn interest on your investment while still allowing you to benefit from any increases in the value of the cryptocurrency. Of course, there is still some risk involved, but lending out money can help to diversify your investments and reduce your overall risk. Also, if you want more information about crypto or crypto news, you can check more information on our website, www.luxurycryptonews.com. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.